right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jack's boy. First loose tooth of all time with the Nerf Ultra. Hey, you don't have to cry. You haven't even done anything yet. What are you scared of? I'm the one that's going to get hit with the bullet. All right, let's go. Oh! Ow! Let me see your mouth. Let me see. There's no tooth in there. It's gone.
Where is it, Dad?
Here's a bullet. Let's see. Is there a tooth attached?
There is not. I heard it go over
Now
here.
we have to find the tooth. Tell me how bad. Did it hurt?
Owl.
A towel. Okay, you find the tooth, Mom.
I heard it. Give him. No, Jax, you never lost a tooth before. Gotta go like this. Now you just bite down on it. Softly. Just bite. We'll find it. Don't worry.
Oh, you found it. Right on top of the trash can. You just trying to throw it away?
No. I want it.
It landed on top of the trash can.
Ew.
Pick it up.
No.
Show it to me.
Gross.
Let me see your mouth.
All right, take that out.
Check it out. Let me see. Let go. Pull your...
Mm-hmm.